Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Our Christmas gift to you this year is the 12 days of Waxmas. You're going to be getting a new video from us every day now up until Christmas Day. So I really hope you enjoy the videos. And as always guys, take care. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Welcome to day 8 of the 12 days of Waxmas. So we have a patient that's come through with reduced hearing in both sides, feeling their right ear was the worst, lots of itchiness to the ear as well. So this is the right side. You can see we've got the standard size Zollner tube in here, lots of very soft wax and very sort of liquid wax really stuck to the canal wall. So that can cause a bit of itching and irritation in here. Just trying to loosen some of this softer debris off. Patient has been using quite a few drops because of the itching and because of the blocked up sensation. Now certainly some drops, especially if they're alkaline in nature, can cause a mild irritation in the canal, so such as sodium bicarbonate drops and sort of peroxide drops, those kind of things. You can see we've loosened from the edges now, so we've got that softer wax away. We've got a little bit of a slightly harder section here. So we're just staying away from it, just pulling towards us now with the suction. There we are. You can just see it starting to get sucked into the machine. There we go. And we've got it to the outer part of the ear canal. It's too wide to fit out of the canal, but it's very soft. So what I'm going to do is leave it there and just start breaking it down at the entrance to the canal now. So just hovering the suction tube over it, trying to gently pull this out of the rest of the way. And we've got some quite soft material there. And let's get this next section away here. You can see all of this is just getting sucked straight into the machine, so all ends up in a little tank at the front. There we are, just getting the last piece away from the entrance to the canal. Okay, for this next bit, I just want to point out a few things on this eardrum. So I'm just going to stop the video here. We've got an absence of a light reflex. So the light reflex isn't present. We've got that one little dot there. We've also got quite a grey-blue colour to the eardrum there as well, which is usually an indication of a little bit of fluid behind the eardrum. You've also got this red patch at the top here, which is where you get irritation. So all the blood vessels will come to the surface, which is where the itching's coming from. That's the tip of the hammer bone there, which is what we expect to see. We've also got this other white little dot here. Now we're going to keep an eye on this because we don't like little white dots appearing in the attic region of the eardrum. It's something worth keeping an eye on. It's, as it is at the moment, it's not really an indication of anything sinister, but what I would like to do is see the patient again when that irritation, that redness has gone away, so we can get a good look at that eardrum, make sure everything looks healthy. And I want to see that white dot disappear. It could be, you can sometimes, if you get a bit of retraction, you can see the other bones in the middle part of the ear, but I don't think that's what it is. It could just be a little bit of irritation to the skin with all that redness there, but something worth keeping an eye on with that one. So what we see here, we've got, this is the second ear, very sort of big section of wax here just sitting at the entrance. There was a bit of a gap around it where you could see the eardrum behind as well. So we're slowing the video down now so you can see this coming away. It's on its way. There we go. So it managed to stay together in one big sticky lump. So all that's come away nicely. We'll have a good look behind that now. So there's the eardrum. I'm just going to point something out on this one as well. You can see the little bubbles, little circles just at the bottom there. So where we had the grey colour to the last eardrum, you can see not as aggravated on that one, but there is some middle ear fluid there. So there's the wax we removed, and in inches coming up. There you go. And I shall see you all again tomorrow for day 9. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. And as always, guys, until the next time, take care.